Okay, so hello everyone. Today, my name is Ameya, and I'm from KodeKiddo, and I will be and my AI topic is about voice assistants in laptops. So the problem is nowadays, people mostly use voice assistants in mobile phones, and because they are because most of the mobile phones in are advanced, so they can take a very smart voice assistants, like they can have people deal with anxiety and have automated systems that can detect faults, but laptops have very less amount of voice assessment that are good. The only example of a known voice assistant is Cortana, and the reason why I chose this problem because I believe that voice assistants in laptops could be better. In research, so a study shows that about 32% of the global online population uses voice assistants on mobile phones, while only 14% uses voice assistants on laptops and on laptops and personal computers. And the below statistics show how voice assistants were used for healthcare purposes. So you can see 52.6% of it were used in smartphones, and only 19.4% were used in laptops or personal computers. Okay, so the concept is most voice assistant use an API called speech recognition, which converts audio into text. New ways can be used so that the user can interact with voice assistant. So, like for example, uh, there can be things like saying the file name, and then the file will appear if the user is having problem finding a particular file. So the voice assistant, so like the user can say the name of the file, and the voice assistant will search the storage of the computer to find the particular file, and if it finds a match, it will come up on the screen, and the user can click on it. Ethics. So the ethic I have chosen for this is privacy. And so aside from being effective, the voice assistant also makes sure that users' private information are kept safe, and they require a specific password that the user must enter to access it. For example, the user can save private lock, file name, etc. So and then which will put the file name in a particular folder where to access it you need a password that the user can put at the start. Solving the problems. Since the new voice assistant designed for laptops will be more effective than the voice assistant used in the current laptops, it will be fast enough to compete with many other mobile voice assistants, and hence people will use a voice assistant in laptops more, which means they will mean something for like they will be counted as a real and useful feature for the laptop and personal computers. Okay, so use of artificial intelligence. The type of AI used in the voice assistant will be machine learning. As in the initial setup, it will ask the user to say a couple of phrases that the voice assistant can learn things like the pitch and frequency of the voice, so that it will only recognize that particular voice when activating. The APIs used in this voice assistant will be speech to text, speech recognition, and speech translation. And these are the references. And thank you for listening.